practice the conjugation, right? So it's lamed plus zachar when I'm dealing with Niphal. Okay, so what would be the first thing I need to do? I need to add a hen. Okay, so I have le. Okay, right? And what's my organic going to be? It's Niphal. So I'm going to have that. Good. I'm going to have my the he's fair. Right? Now, what else am I done? Is this it? No, what else do I do? I need a zagage. Now, what else is zagage to show the draft? None of Niphal. Okay? Now, let's go into the one right below it. Lamed plus shaman. So what are my nikudo? Before I do nikudo, what else do I need to do? I need to add a hey. And so what I'm going to get my lid, right? And what are my nikudo going to be? Good. We'll go with EA. And what else do I need? Because it's, right, I need the zagish, the shin, to show the drop in the Niphal. What else do I need here? I need a kataf, right, to show that, because I have the ayin, right? The ayin means something. What else could I have done instead of Laki Shamaya? Good, right? It's a little smoother sounding, right? Laki Shama. Okay, both are valid in biblical Hebrew. Let's do achal. Okay, so I have lid and I have achal. So what's going to get thrown in the middle? A hen. Okay, now I'm going to try to do my pattern. What's my pattern? It's E-A. But what else is, I'm going to try to put my zagish in my aleph. Will the zagish allow it? Will the aleph allow it? No, it's too hard to double that aleph. So it becomes like, hey, achal. How about bana? So I start with the lid. Okay, now this is a little bit interesting. It's one of my favorite rules of all time. Okay, I know I say that about a lot of rules. So what's my first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to try to right, with a dagish. Now this is the cool part. Do you remember that in Kal, Bana became live notes, and we had the hey, o connection? So for all infinitives, we're actually going to have the same thing, and it becomes lahiba notes. And you're going to see this also in, for example, later this semester when we do Hifil, you're going to see lehar oat for ra'ah. Again, you're going to see that hey oat connection. That the hey of the shoresh becomes an oat in its conjugation in infinitives. Now, the next one is yalan. Okay, so yalan. So what's the first thing I'm going to need to do? Go to the hey. And then what else? So I'm going to try to put in my nikuto, and you're going to see it's weird, right? This is weird. So what gets changed? The yod turns into a vav, right? It probably turns back to its original vav. Lahi. Now let's translate these words, right? Before we go further, I forgot to translate them. What is lahi zacher? Lahi? To be. Right? Remember that guy Stephen who came up with this rule? To be remembered. Lahi shama, to be heard, right? Lehei achal, so pretend to be eaten, right? Because these are all passive, okay? How about lahi bano? To be built. To be, okay, to be built. Lahi baleid, to be, right? It's to be formed. Okay, so we see the pattern. How about yud shin ayin? Okay, yud shin ayin. I'm going to try to put my lid. Now, what's the next thing I need to do? The hey, and it could become E-A. And then what else do I need to do? This yud turns into a vav, just like I did above. And what else does it get? It gets a zagish. Now, can I leave this? No, my ayin's love there. So we have lehiva shay'ah or lehiva sha. Okay, where my ayin got its pasa right before position. Okay, now the last one that I want to talk to you about is actually an interesting case of Natan. So usually when I'm dealing with the nun, right, being squished between two consonants, usually what happens to my nun? Like the word yitain, Zagage. In this case, it's actually interesting because Lahi Natain, my nun actually doesn't go away, it stays. Can anyone see something different about this nun that makes it extra strong? Why does it get to stay? What makes it super strong? It has a Zagage. What does a Zagage do to a letter? It doubles it, right? It doubles it. So, it's super strong. It's, the super, now it can't be dropped so easily. Okay, so that, and Lahi Bashaya means to be saved, right? And Lahi Natain means to be given, okay?